Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to handle multiple conditions, template if true, to check against two values through for each loop in LWC component. So friends, in this lesson, we will be check two template if condition in LWC component against two value. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. There are three steps to achieve this scenario. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So in the step number one, you can see first I created a Lightning app. This is my Lightning app, that is a custom app. Then go to the step number two. In the step number two, you need to click on the gear icon. You will be get edit page. Once edit the page, we can call my LWC component. So friends, in the step number three, we will be call my LWC component to display my data. Here you can see in the LWC component, I retrieving list of the contact list using other while decorator in LWC. So friends, here we will be learn how to create two type of template if condition, and we will be check the data. If template gets data successfully, then we will be display data in the table. If template getting any kind of issue during the fetching the data, then we will be display error message in template if condition. So friends, here we will be use there are two type of template if condition. In the first template if condition, we will be display the data, and second template if condition, we will be display the error message. So friends, in this lesson, we will be handle two type of template if condition against two type of value in LWC component. So now let me jump to my Salesforce code where we will be see live demo example. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential org. Right now I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is a LWC component. This is a JavaScript of component. This is a meta XML file, and this is a Apex class controller. So friends, in the LWC component, first I created a lightning card. Inside the lightning card, I created a div. Then I created a S3 title. So in the S3 tag, I created a title. So first I display a lightning icon. Then I display the title of the page. So here I am mentioning the title of the page. Contact list using for each and at the rate by decorating LWC component. So this is the title of the page. Then I apply template. In the template, I check a condition, each condition. So friends, here I am applying two type of template. This template and this template. So in the first template, I will be displaying the data, and second template, I am displaying the error message. So if any kind of issue getting error through fetching the data, it will be displayed in the second template condition. And if data gets successfully, then it will be displayed in the first template. So here you can see both of the template I am using a condition. So friends, here you can see in the template I am using if condition. If data gets successfully, then this data will be displayed inside the table. So here you can see if condition in the bracket I am passing on object item dot data. That means list of the contact object will be hold to this data. If data gets successfully, then we will be display list of contact record inside the table. If data not get successfully, then it will be displaying an error. So here will be display contact dot error. So here I am applying two type of template if condition. So inside the template I am applying table. Inside the table I am using a T head and first TR. So in the first TR I am applying a different type of the column of contact. This is a name, email, phone, and title. So here I'm applying multiple TD of the table. Then this is a T head close. Then I am applying a T body. So in the T body of the table, I am applying template. So in this template, I am applying a for each and for item. So here you can see in the for each, I am using a core object item of data. That means if data gets successfully from the server, the data will be iterated as a loop in the TR section. So this is a four item cone. So using the cone, I will be display the column of the contact. So friends, here you can see I am applying name, email, phone and title of the contact. This is a cone. So based on this cone, I am using cone.name, cone.email, cone.phone, cone.title. So friends, if you are applying template for each and four item, inside the TR, the key is a mandatory. So here I am applying key equal to cone.id. So in the key, I am using cone.id. That means each and every row, the contact record ID will be get and display on the TR. Now first template is closed. Then I using second template if condition. So here you can see I am using same cone object item data. Here I am applying same. Here I am applying same. Here I am applying same also. So if data gets successfully, then data will be displayed in the table. If this cone object data not getting record from the server, then it will be display error here. So here I am applying two type of template, and all of the template I am using same variable that is coming from the JavaScript. So friends, now let me jump to my component JavaScript. Here you can see in the import method, first I importing the controller and method. So friends, in the JavaScript file, first I am importing the Apex class controller and method. Here you can see this is a controller name, this is the name of the method. So in the export method, I am using at the rate wire decorator. So at the rate wire bracket, this is the name of the import method, this one. And after bracket, here I pass the adapter. So this adapter I am calling to the LWC component here. So here you can see all of these template if condition, and here I am also passing same adapter. So this adapter I am passing to the LWC component. So if adapter get data successfully, then here I'm applying data, here same applying data. If adapter getting any kind of issue, then here I'm passing the error. So in this LWC component, I am using two type of the template if condition. If get data successfully, then here I am displaying the record of the list of contact. Otherwise, it will be display error. So here I am passing adapter. Now let me go on the Apex class controller. So friends, here you can see I created one method, object contact list. This is the name of the method. So this method I created in the Apex class controller here. So friends, remember, if you using @ wire decorator, you must use @ custom equal to true. So it is a mandatory if you using @ wire decorator and getting the data from Salesforce. So it is a mandatory to use @ or I never custom equal to true if you fetching data @ wire decorator. So first I am applying @ or I never catchable to true. Then I created a method. That method is a list of the contact. And here I am writing SQL query for the contact object. So here you can see this is the name of the SQL query list. And here I am writing SQL query, select ID, name, first name, last name, email, phone, title, description. From contact where I am using a clause where email not equal to null. That means this SQL query only return where email not equal to null. Then here I am returning the list of the contact, and this method I am importing in the JavaScript here. Now let me jump to my meta XML file. So this is a meta XML file. Here I am mentioning targets and target. In the target I am applying three type of target: I page, record page, and home page. So friends, this LWC component only visible on these pages. So friends, right now I will be display this LWC component to the custom app page. So now let me jump to my Salesforce card where I will be call my LWC component to the app page. So now let's move on the Salesforce. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential card. First go to the gear icon and click on the edit page. Here I will be call my LWC component. So my LWC component name is LWC true false data. So this is a option to search my LWC component, LWC true false data, LWC true false data. This is my LWC component. So now select and drag and drop here and save. Once save successfully, then go back. So friends, here you can see I am retrieving list of contact record through wire decorator in LWC component. So friend, here you can see in the Apex Class controller, I am mentioning email not equal to null. So friends, here you can see all of the record of contact email is not empty. So here I am retrieving list of the contact record where email is equal to not null. And here I am displaying list of contact record through wire decorated LWC component. Hence, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook you are Master of X Trigger and second ebook you are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today.